Hey everyone, and welcome to this explainer. Running an auto workshop, managing a fleet, or running a dealership, well, we all know it's incredibly complex, demanding work. But do you know what's even tougher? Watching your hard-earned revenue just slip away through these tiny, invisible cracks in your daily operations. So today, we're going to shine a massive spotlight on exactly where your workshop money is leaking, and more importantly, how you can capture it. We are diving into a breakdown of maximizing workshop profits using a system called AUTO.DCL.
I want you to stop for a second and really ask yourself, where are your workshop profits actually leaking? Is it death by 1,000 cuts? Think about your biggest financial drains right now. Are you paying for, say, 4 or 5 different monthly software subscriptions just to keep the lights on? Are your techs and admin staff burning through valuable billable hours doing double data entry because none of your systems talk to each other? Or maybe your biggest leak is just poor financial tracking, where you're forced to make major business decisions based on outdated job sheets instead of live data. Keep those drains in mind as we explore a fundamentally different way of doing things.
So, here is our roadmap for today's explainer. First, 1. Stopping workshop profit leaks. Then 2. 0 monthly cloud fees. Next up, 3. End-to-end shop efficiency, followed by 4, real-time financial control. And we'll wrap up with 5, AI-assisted profit growth. Let's jump right in.
All right, Section 1, stopping workshop profit leaks by taking control of your systems. The absolute foundation of maximizing your margins is consolidating the tools you use every day. Our starting point here is AUTO.DCL, which is an all-in-one management system. The core philosophy, and honestly, the real secret to plugging those leaks, is running your entire workshop, your fleet, and your dealership from one single ecosystem. Because when you're patching together disconnected apps, one for parts, another for accounting, a different one for bookings, you are just bleeding time and resources. When you pack everything inside a single, unified platform, the value is just massive. You've got your workshop module handling bookings, inspections, and labor. You've got parts and procurement managing inventory and purchase orders. You even get built-in sales and fleet management for vehicle sales, complete with automatic invoicing. Plus the whole shebang, financials, HR, payroll, and AI. By pulling all these pillars under one roof, you instantly eliminate the headache and the hefty price tag of stringing together a dozen separate software subscriptions. Which brings us perfectly to Section 2, targeting what is arguably the biggest recurring profit leak in the auto industry today. 0 monthly cloud fees, so you can keep what you earn.
0. That is exactly how much you are going to pay in monthly cloud fees with this setup. Think about your current software stack for a moment. All those monthly, per-user, cloud-based fees, they easily add up to thousands of dollars a year. That's cash walking straight out of your net profit every single month, forever. This system completely flips that model on its head to protect your bottom line.
So how on earth do they actually pull off a zero-fee structure? Well, the system is entirely self-hosted and offline first, meaning you install it right onto your own hardware. It runs on one single PC and beams out to every tablet or computer across your shop's network. And because it works offline, there are absolutely no monthly cloud fees draining your accounts. But arguably the best part for the security of your business, your data never, ever leaves your shop. You retain total ownership of your data and your cash. Moving right along to Section 3. End-to-end shop efficiency and connecting to workflow. Saving on software is fantastic, but what about the hidden costs of wasted admin time?
Out on the workshop floor, time literally is money. Think about the perfect pipeline. Step 1, customer booking. Step 2, work orders and parts. Step 3, the paid invoice. What makes this such a game changer for your margins is that every single one of these steps is connected, end to end. There is absolutely zero double data entry. The info just flows seamlessly from that first phone call all the way to the final paid invoice. And eliminating double entry means your team spends way less time typing into computers and way more time actually turning wrenches.
Let's break down how this actually impacts specific profit centers. On the workshop side, you have digital labor boards, quality control, and pre-built service packages to keep your techs fully utilized. Over in parts and procurement, they use weighted average costing, which is an absolute shield for your margins when supplier prices are jumping all over the place. And for sales and fleet, you're getting deep fleet cost intelligence, plus the tools to stock and sell new and used vehicles. Literally every feature here is engineered to optimize your operations and capture every available dollar.
We've talked a lot about saving money and working efficiently. Let's shift gears to actively tracking that money in Section 4, real-time financial control.
The comparison here is honestly night and day. Standard systems out there, they mostly just hand you basic job sheets. Sure, you know what work got done, but you have no clue about the true financial health of your shop in that moment. AUTO.DCL, on the other hand, feeds you a live profit and loss statement, a live balance sheet, your exact break-even point, and per-vehicle fleet costing. I mean, you can't maximize your profit if you don't even know what your break-even point is on a random Tuesday, right? These deep, real-time dashboards change everything.
There's a vital mindset shift you really need to make here. Real financial control requires way more than just job sheets. To truly maximize your profit, you've got to stop treating your workshop like just a place where cars get fixed and start treating it like the true financial enterprise it actually is. And you can only pull that off with comprehensive, integrated data right at your fingertips. Now we arrive at Section 5, and this is where things get really futuristic. AI-assisted profit growth, working smarter, offline. This is the final piece of the profit puzzle.
So you're getting built-in AI to help run the shop, but with a massive twist. You get offline fault diagnosis, a slick workshop copilot for your techs, and predictive maintenance capabilities. But here is the absolute kicker. It is grounded strictly in your own data. The AI learns entirely from the history generated within your specific shop to speed up turnarounds and boost your capacity. And remember, because the whole system is offline first, your highly valuable proprietary data is never beamed up to some corporate cloud to train someone else's AI. It stays securely locked down in your shop, working exclusively for you. And you know, as that AI and efficiency help your business explode, the software scales right along with you. You can kick things off with a free trial just to prove the value to yourself, and then upgrade from standard to pro, all the way up to enterprise as you open new branches or need more complex roles. The coolest part, because it's one unified ecosystem, when you upgrade you never lose a thing. Your historical data just sits there, compounding its value year after year.
Now, we all know downtime is the ultimate profit killer. But this system is independently verified. Every single module, from the full job lifecycle to procurement and financials, is rigorously tested end-to-end before it even reaches you. They actually guarantee zero defects. And again, your data is fully backed up natively. It's never held hostage behind a cloud paywall. Talk about true peace of mind. So, as we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with one final critical question. If your shop ran offline with zero cloud fees, zero double data entry, and handed you a live profit and loss statement today, how much more profit would you be keeping this month? Seriously, run those numbers in your head for a second. The savings and the efficiency gains are pretty staggering when you really add them up. If you're ready to plug the leaks and take total financial control, checking out their free trial might just be the most profitable business decision you make all year. Thanks so much for hanging out with me to explore this. Keep learning, keep optimizing, and I'll see you in the next explainer.